Scentsy Fam, it's Eileen, your independent Scentsy. Oh my god, that's awful. Never happened. Hey Scentsy Fam, it's Eileen, your independent Scentsy consultant, and girl, today we got June 2022's Whiff Box. Girl, it's already June, so let me explain the situation. This is Eileen at the gym. Eileen just got home from the gym, and right there, my gym bag's there. Girl, but we got a big box in, and I knew my Whiff Box was in here, so we are looking bummy, and it's okay, but we're gonna go over June 2022's Whiff Box, and girl, this already feels heavy because I already know what's in here. There was tons and tons and tons of spoilers leaked about this, and I just couldn't keep my eyes off of it. This is a wonderful value. Not only was May's Whiff Box a great value, June is a wonderful value. And if you guys want to purchase the Whiff Box, it's still available right here on my website. Go get you one because you're not going to regret it. This one's a good one. So let's get right into it. You guys don't even know what a Whiff Box is. A Whiff Box is Scentsy's way of doing like a subscription surprise box without the subscription. And it is $30 US, and it changes every single first of the month. So no two Whiff Boxes are the same. They put little goodies in here that maybe typically you won't buy, or maybe some of your favorites, and you get it at a discounted price because it's always over the $30 value. So it's $30 in value, but it's usually typically over $30 worth of value. I think May's Whiff Box was like, what did I say? I think it was like $75 or $65. I don't know, something like that. This one's another way over the value of $30. And you can get your Whiff Box for $15. Yes, you can get your Whiff Box for $15. How do you do that? Join Scentsy Club. Right now, Scentsy Club is a perfect way to get a Whiff Box for half price, because if you fill up your Scentsy Club over $60 worth of consumable products, you get one half price item, and you can put your Whiff Box in them. You can put your bricks in there. Scentsy Club is a great way to get all your favorite consumable items, and it's always Get My Bar. And everybody knows always Get My Bar. If there's a bar that's discontinued and you put it in your club, Scentsy will continue to make it just for you, even if you're the only one who wants it. But you can also put your like washer whiffs in your laundry detergent and your sugar scrubs, because that's what I do. I put my sugar scrubs in that. You can put body mists and all that good stuff in your club and get a half price item if you get over the $60 threshold. That's Scentsy Club. Let's get into it. June 2022. Girl, I already told you guys like a few videos ago, it's already summer. Like I told you, this year is going by. So this is what our Whiff Box is. We got this paper, and I love Mylar bags because girl, it's hot. We got our pool up. It is summertime. So we get a taste of summer little pamphlet. You guys know I really don't use these things. I've only used one pamphlet, and that was for the cookies, the cookie recipe that they gave us in so many Whiff Boxes ago. So this is invitations. You're invited. Throw a beachy bash, invite some friends over and relax. And so they give you little invitations. Girl, we old school here. Everybody knows once my pool is up, everybody knows this. Barbecue every single weekend. We swim. You don't need no invite. Open door policy for my friends and family. That's how we do it. You shoot over a text. You call somebody up. We don't do little invites, just the way it is. So first up, right in here, we see a fragrance flower, and this is, I believe, in I got Coastal Sunset. I think what I saw in the spoiler was Kukui Coconut. Coastal Sunset is great, and I don't know what flower this is. We'll see what flower it is. I believe I thought I saw it was Kukui Coconut, and I really wanted that one, but Coastal Sunset is just as great. Where does it say what flowers in here? No, don't say what flowers in here. This is fragrance flower. So I'll tell you what flower I got. It's either, it's the Dahlia, Darlene, or Darlene Dahlia, either one. Love fragrance flowers. These always go in my restroom because my restroom is detached from my sink. so I don't have a plug in there. So a fragrance flower is perfect for a place if you do not have like an outlet or you can't have wax somewhere. Fragrance flower is a great way to get good Scentsy fragrance. Really, really nice. And girl, I'm gonna drop everything. We got a mini fan diffuser, and these ones I like it in my car. When I'm out doing actually a Scentsy party, I have the mint mini fan diffuser, and I do have it plugged into my computer, so I do have fragrance right when I'm taking everybody's order. So I mean, I use it. And we got this one in, what color is this? Blue? What color is this? Oh, mint, the same one. Why does it look blue? This looks blue to me, but probably coming off on camera, it's mint. So now I have 2 mints. But these are great to put in your car, to put by your little computer, anywhere where you want little fragrance, and you get a little USB cord with it, and it's perfect for the car. So I personally use mine either for the car, or like I said, when I'm doing a little Scentsy party, I have a little fragrance right by my computer to take people's orders. We got a room spray in Pina Colada Cha Cha. Who doesn't love the room sprays? That's wax. And our pod we got, oh my god, peachy palm trees. I love this scent. It's in my quarterly club right now. My quarterly club doesn't come till July, and I put a crap ton in there. Like, my club is out of control, but I'm not getting till July. This smells so good. This is so peachy. I love this. This is like juicy, almost canned peachy a little bit, and I love it. And we got a fragrance circle, scent circle, sorry, in Sand Swept. Girl, if you saw my empties video, I had a Sand Swept from like last year in my towel closet. Totally forgot it was there. And we get a nice little catalog. I love a catalog. But girl, let's see what kind of wax we got. So cover your ears. Oh girl, I'm ripping the bag. I'm just ripping it. All right. Ice packs. Love ice packs. We get 2 bars. And I got Apple Teeny Splash, which is like bright green apple and simple corn syrup. Oh, this is so good. So bright, so green apple, sweet, well, not like corn. Well, I mean, it is corn syrup, but like sugar. Who doesn't love that? I love sugar. Apple Teeny Splash and Mojito Mambo. I don't think I've had Mojito Mambo before. Ooh, that's lime and mint. Oh, that's like a little spearmint gummy. A little bit like spearmint gum and lime. It's not as authentic as the mint that's in pineapple mint. If you got that from Life's A Garden collection last spring, I love that mint. That mint is like backyard picked fresh mint. This is a little like Wrigley's spearmint gum and lime. But that's still nice. That's still nice. So Mojito Mambo and Apple Teeny Splash, and I don't even know where is this Mojito Mambo that I think we're getting like a bar collection. Is that where this is coming from? Y'all let me know. I haven't done my research on Scentsy. I've been so busy with customers and my teenies and all that. I honestly haven't gotten caught up on like what's gonna be releasing. Besides, girl, did you see the Bring Back My Bars special? You get 12 Bring Back My Bars for $50. You can go right here to my website and get that 12 bars for $50. I usually do a 10 bar special. My 10 bar special is still a little cheaper, but you have to wait till I offer it, and this one is already offered on the website. Might as well. So that's it, and this box is a $64 value. You wanna know how I know this time? Because girl, I done saw it already, and I was so excited. So what you're getting in this box is a catalog. Oh girl, let's just put it all back in the box, okay? You're getting a full-on fragrance flower. You're getting a mini fan diffuser with the pod. Okay, 2 wax bars. You're getting, ooh girl, you better stay in there. Getting a scent circle, and you're getting a room spray. This is a lot of ways to share fragrance in your home, not just wax. You got pods, you got a fragrance flower. I mean, you got a room spray and you got wax. I mean, and a scent circle. I mean, they've given you a lot of ways. I think all we need is a freaking car bar and a scent pack. And that's almost like all the ways you can get fragrance in your life. So great box, $64 for 30 bucks. That's what I pay every first of the month. I could put it in my club like I said before, but girl, I can't wait. I need my box now. This is a great box. If you guys want it, it's available now on my website. And so is that Bring Back My Bar. 12 bars, girl. Girl, we're gonna be getting to the Bring Back My Bars. I got a lot of warming reviews. They're all here except for the feet, girl. We can't be warming feet. So, as always, Scentsy Fam, I love to hear your thoughts. Sound off down below. Are we picking up a Whiff Box? Are we putting it in our Scentsy Club? Let me know down below. And as always, you guys, give us a thumbs up so I know what kind of content you guys want. And if you guys do all the clicking, subscribing, sharing, do all that great stuff, super appreciate it. And if you still want to hang around after all that, there's always a video here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, Scentsy Fam.